Look, gold and silver are falling. I knew it. I'm not buying silver now. Yeah, I will say this again and again. Don't buy any asset when it's in the spotlight. Why? Why? When you buy a stock or an asset, you expect someone else to buy it at a higher price. You buy it at a lower price and someone else to buy it at a higher price. So you can make money. But if you buy gold when it's already in the spotlight, it means you are likely buying it at the highest price. Because with the spotlight, everyone in the world knows it. So I always search for assets when no one cares about them. For example, everyone thinks crypto will enter a bear market in 2026, right? Crypto sucks. I don't think so. Yeah, I will buy more cryptos. What do you think?